Hi there, this is Rodney videotaping from Coins, Currency, and Collectibles here at Toccoa, Georgia, December 22nd, 2021. And boy, we bought a haul of silver today from a collector. You would not believe how many quarters and dimes and half-dollar sets. And I'll have to do another video later as we sort it all out, but it's just too much. I think there was over 6,800 dimes that we bought. So I'm going to show you all the quarters we bought. I'm going to show you the tub. It came in all kinds of medicine pill containers, coins shoved in there, paper money, sets, coin albums, Morgan silver dollars, walking liberties, all kinds of quarters. So let me show you first of all the quarters. We just put in a tray that we're putting out here right now in the store. The hours are closed. We're closed right now, but I'm just want to show you what we have in so far. Here is all of our dimes today, or rather I should say all our quarters today. But we have various amount of quarters here. We have Washington quarters. We have standing Liberty quarters. We have literally hundreds of quarters on this tray right here, like in the store right now. And whoever first come, first serve through this store and sees all these, they can cherry pick and take their favorite dates and mint marks and condition. But we just have so much. It's pretty thick, this tray right now. It's really deep. We have tons of quarters here. I mean, this is just amazing what you see right here. It's more impressive in person how many quarters are on this tray. But we got all kinds of constitutional silver to buy. A lot of stores are looking for the stuff. It's hard to find, but we just got a boatload here, and it's just unreal how many that we have. These in the holders here, this is how they came, so we just left them like that. But these are just really nice pieces of silver here. It looks like an estimate right there. But we just have so much stuff here. It's unreal the amount of constitutional silver that came into our store, and we're really excited because we were low on quarters, and but now we got a ton of them. We got like hundreds and hundreds here, and I'm going to walk out, take you to the back office. We're still sorting through some stuff. This won't be a professionally done video right here because it's not organized yet, but I'm going to walk you through the back of the store and show you what we're going through right now. So just stay with me. You can notice it's got a real pretty Morgan silver dollar. I'm going to take you in the back office here. And I'll just highlight some of the things that we received here today. Here is a color tone 1921 Morgan silver dollar here. Very clean surfaces, no scratches or gouges that we see that are blatant to the natural eye here. But this is a very, very 1884, I should say. My bad, 1884. This is all naturally toned right here. Here's another one that we have here. You can see the cartwheel luster as I turn it. These haven't been cleaned. We have the 43 steel pennies from all three mints. Very nice right there. You can see we have piece dollars, more quarters. There goes some BU 64 Washington quarters. Here's a 5-gram silver bar necklace. Never seen this before.
my bag of dimes I counted today.
And you can see we have Walking Liberty has,
There's some nickels in there too.
Franklin has, more quarters. We're unboxing more quarters even as we speak here. See this stuff come in rolls.
That's all face right there.
How baggy was it?
Yeah, we have a bin full of all kinds of containers with all kinds of constitutional silver. Pennies, nickels, Civil War nickels, buffaloes,
Silver quarters.
more silver quarters.
That's all those little rosies.
You can see a bag full of stuff over here. All these containers are filled with quarters and half dollars and dollars. Let me see if I can get a closer look in here. There you go.
Those are all silver.
We got currency. We have a bunch of these that came in today. These funny dollars, Will, you said they're called funny dollar backs?
Funny back. Yeah.
Funny backs, they're called funny backs. Not your typical back of your $1 bills. And you can see here, we have all these albums of these books right here, and they all have coins in it, silver coins. Let's take a look. I haven't even went through all these. Just a little post-it notice on this customer did. But we got some Morgans right here.
There's some more dimes and some Bobbi dimes.
Here goes another book with Franklin's. And Bobby's assisting me right here and open up these books, so. This is another book with more Franklin's in it. It's actually a complete set, I believe, we have here. We got one album after another.
Do random and grab one out of here.
Yeah, pick out a good one here, Bobby. They're all good, really. Oh, nice Washington quarter display right there.
More Stanley Liberty quarters. What are these?
You can see how much stuff we got. It's just piled up everywhere on this desk, and
I think that one's modern.
Let's just do this one.
1976.
here goes another complete set of the Franklin half dollars. We have the whole set here.
Roosevelt dimes. Complete
And
set of Roosevelt dimes.
we have the complete set of Roosevelt dimes.
Down here. That's good. These are
I'm going through this fast because we want you to see the massive amount of stuff that we purchased in the store today. This will all be, we may do some separate videos in the future to get it all sorted out and see what's actually in here. Lincoln Cent.
Washington quarters.
Here goes another Washington quarter. We got several sets of these that came in. here. Here goes some
Morgans.
Morgans in this album right here. We have a few Morgans in here. Yeah, we're going through this sort of fast because there's a whole lot to show you, but we just want to give you a sampling. This wasn't a planned video, but it's something that we wanted to do and see the unboxing of a big plastic tub that came in with a slap full of coins that we're still taking out and trying to categorize all these coins right here. You get it further back so you can see all the stuff that's on here. This whole thing was full up to here. It was full, and we're just like lowering it down now. And this is stuff that I know I already showed you right here, but ain't no telling. We got a gold. Check this out. We got a gold chain with a
1927, thank God.
1927 St. Gaudens. That came in today. Look at that, folks. 1927, beautiful.
14 karat gold chain and bezel.
14 karat gold chain and bezel. I believe that's 0.97 ounces of gold, I believe, of a $20 gold piece. I think that's what the weight of it is.
The chain is 25.8 grams.
Okay, the chain is 25.8 grams of gold.
More halves.
Bobbi, you want to say anything advertising, bring people in? I'm going to get her on. Look at it. She don't like to be looking at the camera, folks. She's shy. She's afraid she gets on video. Hollywood sign her up. So we're going to go out here. So if you are interested in anything that you see here today, I know it's not a lot. Like I said, this is an unplanned video. You can give Bobbi a call on the stuff that you see, or ask. You can ask her, did you get any of this in? Did you get any of that in? And perhaps she can work out a deal and put it on hold for you, but you can give her a call. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video. This will help us share the video with others. Like I said, we have magazines here. We have lots of stuff. And this is stuff that you might have seen in other videos. But we have gold. We have gold coins. Just a lot of stuff we've been buying lately. And I just want to thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.